Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're going to make what could be YouTube's best side dish. It's called Meaty Baked Beans. Whenever I make this dish, everyone wants the recipe. You're in luck. Today you get it. Stay tuned. Today's ingredients are 2 cans of Bush's baked beans, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of bacon, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 large onion chopped, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey. We'll start by frying the whole pack of bacon. We'll fry it in batches, and you want to get your bacon pretty crisp. And make sure to save your bacon grease for later in the recipe. Okay, after we've cooked our bacon, we're gonna empty a can of the Bush's baked beans, and these are 3 pounds and 75 ounces or 55 ounces per can. We're going to put the first one in there with all the juice in it, and the second one we're going to drain the juice in the sink into the empty can, and after it's drained we're going to put the second can in as well. Okay, next we're gonna put our hamburger in our frying pan. Break it up. Okay, we're going to season our hamburger with garlic and herb. Some ground black pepper. And this is where normally you'd add some salt. Now we're going to add 1 can of petite diced tomatoes. Continue to break up our hamburger. Okay, now we're going to add a cup of Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion Barbecue Sauce. We'll put that in a bowl. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Two tablespoons of honey. Okay, we're going to take a spoon and stir this up. Add a little black pepper. And give that a taste. It's pretty good. So now we're going to add the barbecue sauce in with the beans. We're going to add our onions into the hamburger. We've waited till the hamburger was close to done because we don't want the onions to get soft. We want them to have some crunch in the baked beans. So now we'll come in and stir this up a little bit. Get the barbecue sauce and tomatoes all mixed up. Come back and put the last of that barbecue sauce in there since I didn't get quite a cup out of what I had. We'll take a slotted spoon and add our hamburger and onions. Okay, now we're gonna just dice up the bacon, crumble it however you want to do it. We're going to put that in with the beans, and we'll save a few pieces for the top. Okay, we're going to put the crumbled bacon in the mixture here with the hamburger and the baked beans. Save a few pieces to put on top. The rest of those crumbs and everything go in. Please like, comment, and share. Okay, now the secret ingredient. We're going to spoon in a few spoonfuls of the bacon grease that we fried earlier. We're getting the cleanest oil we can get. We'll mix that in good. Now we're going to put the beans in a casserole dish. My sweet fur baby Macy is supervising and making sure I don't drop any bacon. This will bake at 355 for about an hour. Hey, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help us grow. Okay, it's been an hour. You can see it bubbling. And there you have it. YouTube's best side dish, meaty baked beans. Thanks for tuning in.